So I got one more super light to do. Good. Excuse me. Flagstaff super light Forest River. Two solid steps. Two doors. Dual axle. And this one is a 26SFK front kitchen Flagstaff. If you want to scan that QRF. Flagstaff super light. This might be the one that me and Shelly wanted. You got your rear bumper. You have a place you can put a something like a bike rack or something. Rear window, and place you can put a rear camera on. Alright, let me go to the front. This is the 26SFK. Nice. I think this is the one we wanted before. Ooh, maybe it is. Let's take a look. There's a televator. Ooh, yeah. That kitchen is definitely big enough. Is this new? I'm not sure. Where's the in-between? Oh, in-between, duh. Alright, let's take a look at it. We have a refrigerator. Let's start right here at the pantry. Your control panel is right there. Nice pantry. Power up tower. Three doors. Nice. Nice big sink. You got your front window, windshield, and you also have a nice little window to the rear. And a typical RV stove. Typical microwave, range hood. A lot of storage here. Did I look at this already? I'm not sure. No. And they stay up by themselves, which is nice. Ooh, it goes all the way back too. You put stuff back there that you're not going to use a lot. Outlet right there with USB, USB-C, and then you have a power tower right there. You got all your stuff in a nice binder. You have your fuses right there, easy access. You have radio controls right there. Put your shoes in there, I guess. And these three drawers, I think, match. You got three drawers on the opposite side. So look at those, three drawers. You can actually put stuff on here if you want. Power tower, power tower, power tower, power tower. And then you have your televator. Yeah, that's a lot. This one has a lot of storage. Yeah. And it has one of those legless type. We could just press down on it. Just hit a button and press down. And then you hit a button and it goes right back up. The elevator's nice. Your Mosberg collection. Cool. You have a rear window, a window that you can see to the rear, and then you have another window to the other side. Solar controller. Thermostat. And you have an outlet over here. It's cool. And I see an outlet over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's an outlet in the rear. Alright, let's check out this bathroom. Not too much. Water pump access right there. Yeah, I do have a little bit up right here. Oops, sorry. Sink. Plenty of space to put stuff on. I like that. Like it. I like it. And the outlet right there. Linen closet. Ooh, nice. That's a big one. And access panel again. And another access panel. So that's all you have for linen, but it's deep. So, not ideal, but it's better than nothing. And your shower has a shower miser. And typical size of a Rockwood Flagstaff shower, I think. And this big of a, yeah, you have a porcelain toilet. Nice. Plenty of lip space, I think. You have a pocket door. Nice side tables. You got one over there. Last one I was in, I don't know if it had outlets. Let's see if this one does. I don't see outlets, but there might be some down there. But it has reading lights, storage on the top, and you have two windows on the sides. And a window that faces the rear. That's where your TV goes. There's your closet, really big, goes to the other side. Nice. And it has a giant window. Nice space there. And that one goes all the way through. It goes all the way through. And then you have two big drawers down here. Those are huge doors. And you have access to the storage that leads to the outside over there. So cool. It looks like a queen size bed, but I can't be 100% sure. You have nice access. I mean, you have a lot of room. A lot of room to sit right here. Sit and put your feet right here. A lot of room to put your feet right there. I sit on the side of the bed. So this is the rear of the RV. Walking through the bathroom. And this is the living area. When this slide is closed, you might not have access to the bathroom on this side. We have access on the other side. Dinette. And nice kitchen. I like that kitchen. It's big, but it's not huge, so it's good. It'd be nice if this was over and then you can sit and actually have dinner here. That's fine. This is the view from the rear front kitchen. Alright. Get one last view of it. Alright, hope you guys like it. I'm taking a break.
I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.